Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, maybe. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm
It's the nicest day ever. You know what? My kid's been always in the pool. Hey! Kids! Did you guys put sunscreen on?
No.
Oh!
No,
You guys were supposed to put sunscreen on.
Who cares about sunscreen? Why do we need them?
You guys are gonna get burned up. You guys are gonna get burned up so hard.
I don't care.
Y'all know what happened to G-Ma. Y'all know what happened to G-Ma when you guys went to the community pool.
Ghetto people.
We're not ghetto, Jake. We're a happy family. Like you said in the water park when we went someday.
Family.
No, we a happy family. Don't say that. Kids, just keep on. Kids, you can...
Sunscreen, because that's boring. It smells
But
bad.
hopefully we have all these leftover pizzas. Hopefully we have all these leftover pizzas we can eat. From last.
That's a lot of pizza.
I know. We ordered it for the party we were gonna have today, but hopefully no one came. I guess more pizza for us. Hold on.
Yeah, pizza.
Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. My phone is ringing. Hold on. Who could that be? Hold on. You kids stay here. I'll be right back. My phone is ringing.
Okay.
Hello? Let me go.
Hey Eugene, it's me, Shaelynn. I was wondering if you want to go to the beach with me because my kids are having so much fun and you can invite your kids.
Oh! Wow! Wow, Shaelynn. It's been a really long time. Sure. Yeah, sure. I'll let my kids know and I'll be on there. And I'll be there so quick. Bye!
Alright, bye.
Okay. Kids!
Yeah?
Jake,
Yeah?
were you sneaky?
I like you.
Well, kids, my friend Shaelynn from high school, you guys remember Shaelynn?
Yeah, I'm friends with her.
Yeah, well, she invited us to go to the beach with her. Do you guys want to go?
Yeah, I want to go to the beach. I want to go.
Okay, well, you guys, well, we're gonna make a huge surprise. We're gonna bring so much food.
Yeah, oh my.
We're gonna take some food. You guys can just take food in your pile, and then we're gonna start going there. Okay?
This is really heavy. I don't think I can carry it.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You guys can carry it. Wow, Jake, you're carrying that much hamburgers. All right, well, come on. You don't want all the food to fall like last time. Oh boy.
It's probably gonna fall out my hand. I don't know. I love food. I want to become fat.
Oh. Okay, Jake. Okay.
Jake, no.
Okay, well, kids, get in the car.
Jake, no, you don't. You do not want to be fat. You don't want to be a fat pig. I got it in the front seat. I do.
Okay, well, we're gonna be on our way down.
Yes, I want to be a fat cow.
Oh.
I've never been more over you, so you can't stop. Honestly, I don't care.
All right, kids, we're here. Oh.
Yay!
Yay. Oh. Who's that random lady?
I can't wait to see my best friend. I'm waiting to see her.
Well, kids, come
I can't
on.
wait to get some
There they are. Hey.
Can't wait to get some oil.
Shaelynn, you look so brown already.
Yay, hot summer.
Hey, everyone here. We brought some burgers and food. We brought some food, everyone.
Dad, where's my best friend? Girlfriend.
They're probably in the water.
I want to touch a bunch of food.
We're gonna give these foods out to people. We're gonna give these foods out to people.
Where's my best friend?
They're probably somewhere right now, but we're gonna give these foods out to people. We're being nice. Guys, we have so much leftovers. We're gonna bring some food to people, okay?
Okay.
There's a poor person right over here. Look.
Take the food.
Take the food, everyone.
Hey, poor people.
Take the food.
Take it.
All right, well, everyone, let's go sit down and play. First, we're gonna start eating because you guys know, we know how hungry
Where's my
we are.
best friend?
She's coming soon, I promise.
Eugene, I see my blossom.
Bathroom. Isn't Shaelynn, she in the bathroom?
I think so, yeah.
Oh,
I'll wait for her.
You can wait for her. She's in the bathroom stall over there. Ooh. Ooh. Not the wet farts. Oof.
I'm gonna go find myself a big girlfriend today.
No. Jake, you cannot have girlfriends.
Jake, what?
Jake,
Over
you're
here.
supposed to have a girlfriend.
Yeah, Jake, you cannot have
A
girlfriends.
girlfriend.
You guys want some ice cream?
You want my
Hi,
number?
Caleb.
It's 115.
Taylor, you're so small.
No.
Ice cream?
No numbers giving out.
Yes, you are. You're so pretty.
Ooh. Let's get some ice cream. Give us some
Yeah,
ice
do you
cream.
guys want ice cream?
Yes.
Yes, I'm really hungry for ice cream. Okay, what flavor do you guys want? I want cookies and cream.
Yeah, I just get strawberry. That's good.
Alright.
Strawberry. I want chocolate.
Cookies and cream.
Thank you.
Okay.
This is good.
I will want myself some chocolate.
Alright, and Kayla, which one do you want? I want to save one for my best friend. Alright, Jake, what kind do you want?
I want strawberry.
Strawberry? Okay.
Thank you, family.
Okay, well, this is really good. This ice cream is really good, to be honest.
I said chocolate.
Oh,
You skipped me.
no. Kids, what do you say?
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome. I don't know. What did you want?
Ooh, y'all, we had tacos.
I chocolate.
I want to make pancakes.
Oh, look at your friend.
Give me chocolate.
Kenzie, it's your friend.
Pansy. Where's Pansy?
She's right there.
Leah. Hi, Pansy. Hi. Missed you.
Well, since we're all together,
I haven't seen you in so long.
well,
Hey.
Shaelynn and I will be sitting down relaxing in the thing. We'll be in the water soon. We just need to relax. Alana.
We need to play a role play.
Okay, you guys can play family in the water. Right now, me and Shaelynn are relaxing. So, where have you been all this time?
Hanging around. Having kids is so stressful.
Oh my gosh, I feel you sometimes.
Let's go touch the crab.
Let's make a sandcastle.
Okay, but I might have a runny nose.
I don't care. It's still going to be good.
Tag, you're it.
It's nice talking to you, Shaelynn.
Yeah, it's nice talking to you too.
Yeah. Kids, do you guys want to go in the water now?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Oh God,
There's
it's
a crab.
cold.
There's a crab.
Oh, where?
Why are y'all scared of a crab?
There's a crab.
I have to go to the plateau.
Come on.
Kayla, where did Mia go?
Oh,
I think she went to the bathroom.
yeah, she has diarrhea.
This is amazing,
Guys,
Thanks for letting
Shaelynn
me come here.
told me that she has diarrhea problems. It's fine.
Oh, it's my funny.
Ooh.
Why would you tell us that? That's disgusting.
Well, y'all gotta know because you know how
I
Kenzie.
almost.
You guys know how.
Thanks for bringing us here.
You're welcome, but you guys know how Kenzie's so sensitive.
Can I pee on the water?
No,
Ew.
no, everyone, no, you're not peeing in the water.
That's disgusting. Ew.
Hi.
Hi. I was wondering if me and your
daughter can have play dates.
Sure.
I think you gotta ask my dad, but sure. That's the thing you gotta ask your dad, but sure, I don't mind.
Okay.
This is fun.
Hey, Eugene.
Yes?
Your kids was asking if they could, have a play date sometime with my kids.
Oh, sure. That'd be nice.
Yeah. Like a little
We did. Okay.
Shaelynn, I haven't seen you. Oh wait, remember? Shaelynn.
Let's play family.
Okay, I want to be the mom since I'm the oldest.
I want to.
Ew, you're my brother and your farts are stinky. I don't want you to be the dad. Okay, fine, I'll be this Sean. I'll be this Sean.
I want to be the emo teen.
Then I'm not playing anymore.
Wait, kids! Whoa! You guys! What? Whoa! No! Get back here! Get back here! No! No! You guys! That's dangerous! Shaelynn! Shaelynn, get your child! Kids, get over! Are you guys insane?
Yeah. What's
You-
going on?
They're in the deep ends. There's literally sharks out here. Kids, swim back. If you guys don't go back, then we're going home. This is one rule. If you guys are going to be in the water, don't go to the deep end.
Kayla, if you're going in the water, we're going home. Do not go to the deep end.
Yeah,
If you go to the deep end,
Kids, come back.
home if you can't catch me.
Y'all are so strict.
Come on, go back.
What do you mean strict? You kids could have died. There could have been sharks out there. You guys never know.
Exactly.
I want Sean Joe.
You imagine if you get eaten by a shark.
Okay.
You know, kids, that's enough time. Kids, that's enough time of the water. Let's just go. You kids want to just go to the band? All right, kids. Well, now we're gonna go to the stage over there. They have so many cool foods. They have so many cool stuff. Well, come on. We're gonna be walking there.
I can't walk that
Wait,
fast.
where's your guys' vehicle? Did you guys go on Uber?
We walk.
Yeah, we went on Uber.
You
We don't
walk
have
here.
Oh,
My mom's
well,
car,
it's
we
fine.
walk
We
here.
can walk. It's not that far. It's right here.
Wait.
Okay, kids, your home is there.
Dad, I got some
Whoa,
food from the nice lady over there. She gave us some free food. Wake up.
that's amazing. Well,
We got some whale legs. Do you want an ice pop?
this is nice. You guys, look at the concert. Look at the concert.
We got little legs.
Ooh. Yeah. Ew, you said it has a crush on him. See, I just cut things to bring the kids out.
Ooh, we got ice pop.
Hey, you. You're kind of hot.
Hey, don't talk. Hey, don't talk to the people. Kids, do not talk to the
You
people.
look so hot.
Hey, get down. Get down. Get down now.
You like being dead? No, you like
Get down. Get down now. You guys are this close about getting home. You guys are this close to going home.
Dad,
Wiggle.
Well, you kids, I'm gonna go get some corn dogs and popcorns and slushies.
Dad, can I try the grimace shake?
No, we know that's poison.
Oh my god, the grimace shake? What I try?
There's no grimace shake, okay?
Oh.
Okay, I'm getting you guys some slushies.
Ew.
You're
I don't
ill.
mean to every time.
We have some amazing food over here. You guys are like ill. We should be at least grateful what we have. Okay?
Hey, you know, I have something for you.
What do you
have? Chocolates for you. Oh, thank you, Kenzie.
Okay, well, I'm gonna give you guys.
Take them.
Alright, well, I got you guys slushies. I only got you guys slushies if you guys are gonna listen, alright? Hey, Kayla,
No.
why are you bringing a crate?
I don't know.
Exactly, Kayla, put that.
Alright, well, we got you guys slushies.
What is that sound?
Guys, be quiet. This one. Alright, well, we got you guys slushies. if you guys listen.
Give me one. Give me one.
Okay,
I want it.
I'll give you one.
Thank you.
And then I'm gonna get myself.
Slushie.
I'm gonna get myself a popcorn. It's a little snack for us, guys.
I want a slushie. Here you go.
We can enjoy the concert. We can enjoy the concert while we're eating. Well, yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video so much. I'm glad that we had the best time at the beach with this new family, Shaelynn. I'm gonna put all the credits to everyone that's been in this video in the description below. I love you guys so much. We love you guys so much. Bye, guys. Bye, fam. Bye, Cloudies.
Give it to me like you know